Hello, welcome everyone to this exciting day. My name is Benjamin and today we are going to talk about Solana once more. So far the day has been pretty exciting. Most altcoins show significant inflow of capital, like Chainlink is absolutely crushing all resistance I set last week, and we are very near the $9 mark, and I'm absolutely excited on how the next days will turn out in altcoins. But first, we will look at Solana. I haven't covered this coin since a few weeks, and I just wanted to give you all guys an update about this and where we're heading, of course. So, for the people who didn't watch the last video, we at Mendman Capital expect that Solana found its cycle bottom right here last December, and since then we had this huge rally boom up here, and this was the top of wave 1. Then we had this A, B, C in an A wave, overshooting B wave, and a very, very steep wave C. And I explained this extension right here, the 1.618 extension. It's very interesting that in such expanded flat movements, a wave C usually retraces to the 1.618 extension, and just like you see, it hit this zone and absolutely jumped out of it. It was so exciting to watch this a few weeks ago, and makes me even more bullish about Solana. But let's look what we have here. I explained this also in the last video. We had this wave 1 and an A, B, C structure broke out of it and are trading just under the top of wave 1 right now. So the important thing for all to know is I am not quite sure if this is another wave 1-2 and not a correction or a movement. This would mean that we have two separate wave 1-2 setups here. 1-2, 1-2, 1-2. This doesn't really change anything about my goal right here of $45, but honestly it would just make Solana even more bullish. But yeah, I will have to watch the market and see if this will turn out to be true. But let's see, of course. As long as Solana manages to break above the last high, I am happy. And the next target for you guys are the $36 mark right here in this, at the top of the orange extension zone. Then we would establish a wave 4 of this movement, 3, 4, maybe right here. And from there on, we should push above $40 finally, and I really hope that we can hit the $46 target right here. So, and of course I'm going to show you the other chart so that you guys understand this better. Same count as always, but in a higher time frame. So, as you can see, this is wave 1, this is wave 2, and this is the wave 3 target of this movement at 1.618 extension at $46. And I expect that we will reach it in the next weeks, and I would be very happy if we manage to break above this top. I think most of you remember what it was. It was the collapse of FTX, sadly. It was really sad back then to watch this whole scenario play out. It was really painful, I guess, for people who had money on FTX, but it was the last movement of this whole cycle bottom, and it is at 38.82. So the key, I'm just highlighting this here so that you guys understand the importance of this. If we break above this line right here at $38.22, then the bull market is officially back, and we are going to see much higher prices in this year and next year. But let's go back to the wave 3 movement right here. It's possible that we could extend this whole movement in this wave 3, but let's see how much momentum Solana manages to gain. And right now I expect that we will only reach $46, establish this wave 4, and then wave 5, which will push us to $60. This would be this is my primary scenario, and after this, of course, we would face a macro wave 2. So much about this count. If you have questions regarding this, please just leave them in the comments. I answer every single one. And yeah, I'm thrilled on how this trade will turn out. I remember I wanted to show you something special from 2 months ago. An article of mine I wrote back then. As you guys might know, we post frequent updates on TradingView and our own website, and I wanted to show you our Solana article from last March the 10th. So this article was written almost 2 months ago, and I know that many people don't really believe in Elliot Waves or technical analysis, but I think this is very foolish to do so, because back then I highlighted this orange extension zone just like you saw it right here, and I said we will establish a wave 3 in the next months, and let's see what happened. Of course, we are still trading below this wave 1, but it absolutely turned out to be true what I said back then, and right now we have more than 50% gain, a 50% jump since we were trading down here. And I just want to say that's the magic of Elliot waves and Fibonacci retracement and extensions, and that's why I love what I do, because it's just a really exciting way to trade in the cryptocurrency markets, and it works wonders sometimes. So make sure to like and subscribe. Especially, I can only recommend everyone to visit our private website. You can get a membership there. Currently it's free of charge, and you receive our analysis and articles and YouTube videos there too, before everybody else gets it, of course. So see you guys in another video, and I'm really excited how this will turn out. Goodbye, have a good week.